Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to get PropFirm account for free. PropFirm, which is the most known in this field on trading, which is someone who don't have a capital. But with PropFirm you can provide a capital by succeeding in specific steps with specific criteria and so on. In this video I will show you how to claim a free account without any payments. There is two steps for it, and there is another free account. Just you need to follow up with my things I will show you now. First you need to go to login in this website called vPropTrader. I will let the link in description. I will use Google for I will use a random account to enter with it. So guys, after I just claim, like after login using Google, here you will find free funded accounts for all, or go to start challenge. Then you will go to two steps. For 1k it is for free. Then get it. I agree with all the terms and conditions. You need to read them, guys, and then you need to go to free. Accept that for the conditions. Wallet balance, proceed to payment, and there you go. You get claimed the account. And note please, you need to unless in under 1 month you need to claim the steps and so on in order to keep the count to your pocket. So how to get the login info to login in MetaTrader? Just go to login info here, and then you will have the login number, then the master password. Just log in with those criteria MetaTrader 5. I hope you like the video, guys. If you want to ask about one step, just here download the application on the mobile and you will get free challenge account PropFirm just using or passing through one step. I hope you like the video, guys. Like, share and subscribe.